Slade right now. Oh, how cute! Who's got a superhero fetish out there? Who's got a skinny boy and undie fetish? I am that. All right, let's welcome up right now. You're so cutie.
It's Brandon Lewis, Preston Steele, Jake Decker.
Oh, Jake Decker's here? Oh, I owe him money. Jake Decker and
Shane Frost.
yeah, come on out here, guys. Brandon Lewis, Preston Steele, Jake Decker, and Shane Frost. No music for these guys? They're legends. Hey, how are you? Hi. Okay, well, Jake Decker's not here. Thank God. What? You're going to be Jake, but you're Shane Frost. Okay, well, Jake Decker couldn't be here tonight because I owed him money.
We're here to introduce